Today isn't just any ordinary vlog, it's my lovely wife's birthday, so we're going to do whatever she wants today.
How was work? Going back to work?
And luckily for me, she isn't hard to please, so the first stop we made was at Peace Park to walk around and just check out this weird ball structure. Now in the middle of this ball is like some kind of netting that you can like run across, and I wasn't going to be the first one to do it. So this is Arissa running across that netting. Week been so far?
It's going well so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, carry on. So after we checked out Peace Park, we did a quick little photo op. So after the park, we decided to take a little drive down South Congress. And since we were in the area, we stopped at Kendra Scott to get Arissa her birthday presents with an S. And since it was her birthday, the staff informed us that she can get a free macaron. I don't know, it's like a cookie thing. And the woman that was working at this counter was extremely friendly, helpful, and just overall amazing customer service. So shout out to her, appreciate it. So after Arissa put on her necklace, we decided to go to El Mercado Mexican restaurant, which is on South 1st Street. We've eaten here before, the food isn't terrible, so we decided to come here because they weren't busy and they were probably the only restaurant open at the time. So you always got to start off with the chips and salsa, and might I add that the salsa was extra spicy for me today.
That's hot. It's spicy. It really is.
I'm not getting the seeds.
What is this you got here?
It's a little.
What are you drinking over here, Missy?
It's Capri Sun juice.
I think that's a lie.
It comes in a shaker now.
I don't believe you.
That was bad. Thank you.
And after a late lunch, we had to go to Banan Arki. Honestly, it was really good. I didn't have a great expression. Sorry, I'm a terrible vlogger. But anyways, overall it was a great day, and I'm just super grateful we got to spend the day together on her birthday. And even though we didn't do anything crazy, it was still fun. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the vlog, and see you on the next one. Bye.